7-Day Hair Transformation Challenge, a comprehensive guide for practitioners' introduction in the ever-evolving realm of cosmetology. A well-structured hair transformation challenge can significantly boost client satisfaction and bolster a salon's reputation. This essay will delve into an in-depth, 7-day hair transformation challenge that practitioners can implement today for impressive results. The importance of a 7-day hair transformation challenge. A 7-day hair transformation challenge offers numerous benefits. It captivates clients with quick results, generates social media buzz, and encourages repeat business by showcasing the salon's expertise source, Salon Today. Step 1. Initial consultation. Prior to commencing the challenge, a thorough consultation is crucial. Discuss client expectations, hair type, and desired outcome. Assess current hair condition and discuss any concerns or limitations. Source: Modern Salon. Step 2. Preparation. On day 1, shampoo the hair using a nourishing formula to remove product buildup and prepare it for further treatments. Apply a deep conditioning mask and let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing. Source: Allure. Step 3. Cut and shape. Day 2 involves cutting and shaping the hair to achieve the desired style. Utilize visual references to ensure accuracy, and educate the client on how to maintain their new cut at home. Source: Behind the Chair. Step 4. Color application. On day 3, apply a semi-permanent color or gloss for added shine and vibrancy. This step should cater to the client's desired level of brightness and tone. Source: Hairbrained. Step 5. Highlighting and lowlighting. Day 4 is dedicated to highlighting and lowlighting techniques, if necessary. These techniques add depth and dimension to the hair, enhancing its overall appearance. Source: L'Oreal Professional. Step 6. Styling and finishing touches. On day 5, style the client's hair using heat protectant products and styling tools. Provide tips on maintaining the style at home, such as using texturizing sprays or sea salt spray. Source: Birdie. Step 7. Maintenance and aftercare. On day 6, educate the client on proper maintenance and aftercare techniques to prolong the transformation's longevity. This may include product recommendations, styling tips, and scheduling follow-up appointments. Source: Harper's Bazaar. Conclusion. A well-executed 7-day hair transformation challenge can elevate a salon's services, attract new clients, and boost overall client satisfaction. By adhering to the steps outlined above, practitioners can confidently embark on this transformative journey with their clients.